Item number 298. We have filed an application today. Kindly look at the application. There is some government program and he has been invited to attend the same as guest of honor. The program has been attached to the application. ସେଟା ଉଦ୍ଘାଟନ ଅଛି ଆଜି ଦିନ 28-29 ଦି ଦିନ ଅଛି। ଆମେ ପିଟିସନ ଦେଇଛୁ 30 କି ଆସୁ। କପି ଦେଇଦେଇଛି କାଲି ବି ଗୋପାଳଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କଥା ହେଇଥିଲି।
So the timing is 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, my lords.
You can come at 2 o'clock, give evidence for 1 hour and then go.
And tomorrow there is nothing in the program indicating that there are programs.
Come at 2. Yes.
Oblige, my lords.
This is a regular bill.
It is urgent because CJM is saying that unless you bring the extended order, so my stay is concerned, I will take up the matter. One criminal division, 35 of reserve suit. That has not.
Please file the memo.
I filed a memo.
My lord, this is regular bill.
We'll see. We'll see.
Regular bail. Main accused has been released on bail since 2020.
Give the memo, please.
Let it a date may be fixed.
One typographical correction, my lord. In the ABLPL, instead of ABLPL, BLPL has been indicated.
Yes, you conquered. All right.
Tired of bail update.
Give it.
My lord, tired of bail application.
Give it.
My lord, criminal appeal bail, your lordship. Already half of the sentence has been completed.
Okay.
And another is for extension of time, your lordship.
Okay.
My lord, may I pray the extension of time may be listed in this week any day, your lordship?
Give it. We'll see that.
Pardon to make a mention, my lordship. Or matter number 349 has to come under admission has come under orders. Conviction is for 3 years under 324 and 507.
Which item?
349.
It has already been admitted. It has already been admitted. Bail has been granted and stay of realization of fine order has been passed. Now the application is for stay of conviction. Yes, next.
Item 171, my lord. The interim bail in the list, my lord. Kindly be taken up today,
Yes.
medical ground.
Bigger pardon. My lord, item 215. Same matter, arising of same facts, everything is same, filed by another co-accused. That is CRLMP 943 of 2023. These both are same. I have filed for one accused and another co-accused have filed. Same, everything prayer is same, everything is same. And can that both the matters be tied up and the CRLMP is listed on cost of this one?
We'll see when the matter reaches, we'll pass the order. Yes.
It's 200.
It's all right. Or not today, yes. Yes.
Beg pardon, your lordship. Item number 149, my lord. It is a criminal appeal in the nature of bail, my lord. One of the offenses SC/ST is there, my lord. Notice to the victim is required.
There are some defects.
Copy already served, my lord.
That is not the only defect. There is a delay of 43 days and you have to file a delay condonation application. Why are you not checking off and then making mention? Yes, next.
Pardon to make a mention, my lord. I am through virtual mode. My lord. One BLAPL 4246 of 2023, my lord.
Yeah.
That is a tired of matter, my lord. Kindly taken up next week.
Okay, noted down, yes.
4246.
Big pardon. Big pardon, lordship. And the virtual mode item 150, lordship. SC/ST first bail, lordship.
Okay. Extra copy to the State Council. Notice to be issued. You have received the copy. 150.
Yes, Lordship. I have Lordship.
All right, extra copy to be, and it is to be sent to the IAC of Begunia Police Station, usual order, for obtaining the case diary and criminal antecedent, if any. Yes.
Lord, the matter is not before Lordship's board.
Yes.
Lord, one writ petition is being filed by Deepak Nayak and his parents. Here in this case, with the prayer to pass the FIR as well as entire proceeding. Here, madam, in my absence, my wife died at Calcutta, and all relations were there. UD case was registered. Nobody lodged a complaint, and UD case is final report has been submitted by keeping the case open. The dead body was brought by the father.
Is it in the list? Is it in the list, Mr.
No,
Mishra?
no, out of list, madam. I said.
Oh, you want it to be
maybe
listed?
Listed tomorrow, madam, because this.
What is the number?
No, it is being filed today. So I will give the number subsequently.
All right. Give the number. We'll see.
Madam. Yes. Along with this step, because the jurisdiction is entirely everything is at Kolkata, and the UD case is pending there.
Okay. You give the number. Give the number.
I'm giving.
Yes.
Along with the memo, I'm giving.
Yes.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
I have preferred this appeal against the order of the Lord Special Judge cum Additional District Judge Sundargarh, who has convicted the present petitioner under Section 20B2 for 2 years and imposed a fine of ₹20,000. I have filed this application along with the 2 IS, Your Honor, for praying to enlarge the petitioner on bail.
You are on bail. You are on bail.
Yes, my lord, I am on.
Okay.
Bail.
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
I admit Mr. Suraj Patel from High Court, virtual court, High Court, Sundargarh. Call for the trial court record. He was on bail. Bail granted. Stay realization of fine. Yes.
Item number 2.
May I please your Lordship, my lords?
Yes, Mr. Mahapatra.
My lords, appellant is convicted for commission of offence under section 13(2) PC Act and 468 and 470A of IPC and also 471 of IPC, my lords. Operating page, my lord, 45, my lords.
45.
45, my lord.
Yes.
During trial period, appellant was on bail. Subsequently, appellant convicted for commission of offence under section 3 years and fine 10,000 rupees. Only default were to suffer RI for 2 months for each of offence under section 13(2) PC Act and 468 and 477A of IPC, and to undergo RI for 2 years and fine 5,000 rupees only. In default whereof suffer RI for 1 month for offence punishable under section 471 of IPC, and to undergo RI for 5 years and fine 15,000 only. In default whereof to suffer RI for 3 months for the offence punishable under section 409 of IPC and subject to set of ethics, and the above sentence are on concurrently, my lords. And after, during trial period, appellant was on bail, my lords. After pronouncement of judgment, my lords, appellant is in custody, my lords. 25/7/2023, my lords.
Yes, Mr. Das.
Yes, my lord. I will file my appearance by the end of September, my lord.
And Mr. Sanjay Kumar Das, standing counsel for the Vigilance Department, submits that he will file the appearance memo by end of September 2023. His name shall be reflected in the brief as well as in the cause list henceforth. I admit he was on bail. After conviction, he has been taken into custody. Now he will be released on bail. Stay realization of fine. Free copy of the order be handed over to the Learned Standing Council.
Obliged.
Obliged, my lords.
May I please, your lordship? 3 years conviction has been made, my lord. Page 29, running point 29, my lord. The operating.
Please wait.
My lord.
3 years.
3 years and to pay and file of 20,000.
2 years for 406, 3 years for 120B, 1 year for 4 and 5
of the
each.
PCMC
Okay.
pending act.
And it is to run concurrently.
My lord.
So the maximum one is 3 years, right? And what about you were on bail during trial?
He was on bail, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Tripathi.
Yes. Page 12 of the running page 12 it is.
Admit he was on bail, so bail allowed. Sterilization of fine.
Right.
Item number 6.
Defendant convicted under section 13(2) of the PC Act, sentenced to undergo RI for 3 years and fine of rupees 5,000. Operating part 65 page now.
65. RI for 2 years, 5,000. 13 plus 1, so 4 months. Okay. You were on bail during trial?
During trial as well as.
No, you were not. You were not arrested during trial.
Yes.
So. Yes, Mr. Das.
He has been sentenced to RI for 2 years.
No, he was not arrested. He said I was on bail, but in page 2 it is shown that there was no. All right, hard admit. He was not arrested during trial. Okay, after conviction he has been released on interim bail, so bail allowed and sterilization of fine. So far as Mr. Sanjay Kumar Das is concerned, he will file the Wakalat appearance memo by end of September, and free copy be supplied to him. His name shall be reflected in the cause list as well as yeah.
Item number 7.
Item 7, may it please your lordships. The appellant is assailing the judgment dated 18/7/2023. Your lordship will find it at page 47, the sentencing part. He has been convicted for 10 years, your lordships, under section 307 and other allied offences. He's been in custody since over 6 years, your lordships. Running page 47 is the.
You are not on bail during.
No, your lordships. I was taken into custody on 12/6/2017. That is 6 years and 2 months till date.
Right. You supply the deposition.
I have supplied already, your lordships. Already supplied.
Who is the injured here?
Injured, your lordships, it's a police officer's, your lordships. This is a basic case wherein he is
who is the injured? Has he been examined?
Yes, your lordships.
As PW? What is the weapon of offense?
Your lordship, it's a pistol. It has been seized also. And there are certain discrepancies in the judgment also.
You fired pistol at the police officials?
That is the allegation, your lordships. But your lordship will find it at page 31.
Trial court record come. Admit, call for the trial court record. Deposition copy have already been supplied to the Learning Council for the state. Interim applications for bail and sterilization of fine to be considered after receipt of the trial court record.
Oh, bless you.
Yes.
Item number 8.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, the appellant is convicted under section 12 of PC Act and to undergo RI for 1 year and to pay fine of 1,000 rupees and in default RI for 1 month. And my lord, he was on bail during trial, and on the date of occurrence he was an outsider, my lord, and he is 80 years old now.
What is the operative part of the judgment? Page number?
Page number.
Internal page 70, running page 86.
86 question. Okay. His name is Ramesh Chandra Malik. So I sentence convict Ramesh Chandra Malik to undergo RI for 1 year, to pay a fine of rupees 1,000 in default to undergo swans. Okay. You are on bail during trial?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Das.
I have already filed my appearance memo on 25/8/2023.
Mr. Sanjay Kumar Das, Learned Standing Counsel for the Vigilance Department, submits that he has filed the appearance memo on 25/8/2023. The registry shall place the same on record. Name of Mr. Das be reflected in the top of the brief as well as in the cause list henceforth. Card admit, bail granted. He was on bail. Then stay realization of fine. What is your name?
Vaishakhi Mahanti.
Huh?
Vaishakhi Mahanti.
Give your name in writing. Naam mention karo.
Free copy of the order.
Free copy of the order.
Oh, please.
Item 9.
The appellant has been convicted for the offence commission of 13(1)D and 7 of the PC Act, my lord. And he has sentenced for 2 years for 13(1)D and 1 year for this offence section 7, my lord. He was on bail during his trial and also conviction the lower court trial. And the trial court has allowed him to release on bail.
Is the same
Yes,
case,
yes, arising out of same Sambalpur Vigilance and same CTR.
You have filed here also the appearance memo.
26/8/2023.
Okay, same order for the 26/8/2023. Okay. Yes, so admit, bail granted, stay realization of fine. Yes, next.
My lord, I have a prayer that the 1 month is completing tomorrow, so I may be allowed to take copy during.
Yes, it will.
Free copy of the order be granted, my lord.
Yes, free copy.
Item 10.
On behalf of Mr. Sahu, I may be permitted to place the matter, my lords. The operative person of sentence is at running page 31, my lords. The appellant has been convicted under section 323, 325, and 34 IPC, my lords. Page 31, 319. And each of the convicted are sentenced to undergo rigorous RIF for 2 years and to pay fine of 2,000. And we are on bail during the course of trial, my lords. That is at page 10, my lord.
How many appellants are there?
3 appellants are there.
All of them were on bail during trial?
My lord. All are bail during the course of trial.
Yes, Mr. Tripathi?
Yes.
All right. Admit they were on bail, so bail allowed. Stay realization of fine.
Great.
Item 11.
May I please your lordship, my lord. The petitioner convicted under section 324 operative part is lordship 49. Lordship kindly see.
Wait.
Undergo RI 2 years and default fine 10,000, your lordship. 49. During trial he was on bail and now he is in interim bail, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Tripathi.
Yes.
All right. Admit he was on bail. Bail allowed. Stay realization of fine.
Obliged.
Item 12.
Sorry, my lord. Item 12. 12 is Mahendra Kumar Mahapatro, S. Khan, P.K. Behra. It's in the party. Sorry, man. Yes.
The petitioner challenging order of conviction dated 11/8/2000, running page number 41, my lord. Maximum punishment under section 409, 3 years.
41.
Yes, page number 41.
Your name is Rajkishore Sahu.
Yes, ma'am. The convict.
Okay, 2 years, 10,000. 2 years, 5,000. 2 years, 5,000. 3 years, 5,000. 2 years, 5,000, 6 months, concurrent sentence. So it is 2 years.
No, maximum 3 years. 409, 3.
अच्छा 409 टा 3 years कर दीजिए.
Yes, yes. I will.
All right. So maximum sentence is 3 years.
3 years.
You were on bail during trial.
Yes, madam. On running page 15.
Yes, Mr. Das.
My lord, CRLA number 922 of 2023 has already been admitted by your lordship on 21/8/2003 of the co-accused
Okay.
Kishan Kumar.
All right.
And I will file my appearance more by the end of September 2023, my lord.
Mr. Das, Sanjay Kumar Das, running standing counsel for the Vigilance Department, submit that he will file the appearance memo by end of September 2023. And further submits that this matter is connected to CRLA number 922 of 2023. Hard admit call for the trial court record. Henceforth, this matter shall be listed along with CRLA number 922 of 2023. Since it is submitted by Mr. Das that the said matter has already been admitted and trial court record has been called for, before calling for this trial court record, the registry shall verify whether the trial court record has received in CRL number 922 of 2023 or not. Bail granted. He was on bail, stay realization of fine.
Free copy of the
Free copy of the order.
Obliged, my lord.
obliged.
Item 13.
Social investigation report. Matter to be listed 11/9/2023. Yes.
Please, your lordship. Lords, this is in the nature of a bail.
Yes, received the deposition copies of the witnesses today. Take some time to go through this. अच्छा. Deposition copy आपन तो supply ही जाइतला ना?
Deposition supply may pray my lord, it may be taken up tomorrow.
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 But I
I cannot go through it.
So 29 August. Kadi dakive. All right.
Election
अरे कौन कुहंतु आपण मेंशन कले जे एटा कौन चैलेंज करिसेंती कौन पई कौन व्हाट इज योर प्रेयर Previous question.
এটা হচ্ছে এক্সিবিট 43 ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ affidavit form 26 ରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନମିନେସନ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ତାର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କଲମ 5 ରୋମାନ 2 ସି ସିରିयल नंबर 11
5A
5C 5 रोमन 2 C
अच्छा C
Serial number 11.
सीरियल 11
number 11
At
it is
page 5.
commission of offences
Again.
under section okay yes
ଆପଣ ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କରିଛନ୍ତି କମିଶନ ଅଫ ଅଫେନ୍ସେସ୍ अंडर सेक्शन 148 148 353 332 336 337 427 323 324 506 149 आईपीसी आगे ठीक है सर एग्जिबिट 21 देखो एटा देखंतु एफआईआर Exhibit 21 shows, along with above offenses under Section 3 PDPP Act, 7 Criminal Amendment Act, 96 OUP Act has also been registered in that FIR.
ଯୋଉ ତା ପରଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି ସେଟାରେ ତ ସେ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଅଛି
If your honor looks to the affidavit at page 74, page 74 affidavit, evidence affidavit.
हाँ 74 कोटा कହୁଛନ୍ତି
second subpara tala aduku third fourth line.
113
I have mentioned the details of pendency of the said criminal cases against me in my affidavit in form 26 so and so in column number 52A11 sorry 9 52B11 52C11 but in 52C11 that offenses under section 3 PDPP Act
ଏଗୁଡାକ omit ହେଇଯାଇଛି ନା
ଏଗୁଡାକୁ he has not disclosed.
ଏଇଟା କାଇଁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଛାଡିଦେଲେ ମିଷ୍ଟର ମୁକିମ ତିନିଟା ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଛାଡି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବାକି ଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି what is your statement what is one କୋଉଠି ଛାଡି ଦେଇଛି ଆପଣ affidavit ରେ page 5 ରେ ରାଇଟ୍ ହଁ ସେଗୁଡା ସବୁ ତକ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଯୋଉ ତିନିଟା ଅଫେନ୍ସ ତା ତଳେ ଯୋଉ ଅଦର ଆକ୍ଟସ ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଫଆଇଆର ଟା ଦେଲେ ତ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ 21
original certified copy
ହଁ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପିରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଅଦର ସେକ୍ସନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଅଦର ଆକ୍ଟସ ଏଠି ତିନିଟା ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଆହୁରି ଯୋଡା ହେଇଛି 3 PDPP ଆକ୍ଟ 7 କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଲ ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ଟ 96 OUP ଆକ୍ଟ ସେଇଗୁଡାକ ଛାଡି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି
evidence of evidence. Evidence.
Yeah. এই প্যারাগ্রাফটা পয়েন্ট আউট করে দিন
এটি আপন লিখিলে I have mentioned the details of criminal cases against me in the affidavit in form 26 exhibit 43 44 45 and 46 in column 52A9 52B11 and 52C11
affidavit ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ଆପଣ ଏଇ particular column ର ଏଇ XI ରେ ହିଁ ସେ offense mention କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏ ଯୋଉ FIR ନମ୍ବରଟା ହଉଛି 113/2011
ସେଟା ବୋଧେ ଅଲଗା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ବୋଧେ ସେମାନେ
ସେ
ମିସ୍ କରିଯାଇଥିବେ
what is your answer typographical ଏ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ
clerical
mistake right it's a fact that while mentioning the offenses under in column 5 bracket re
Roman 2
1 এটা Roman 2 কোড আছে না
52 ର C ସେଇଟା
এটা 2 ର ନା 1 ର
52 ର 1 ର ନାହିଁ ସବୁ 2 ର
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
page 3 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
page 3 ଟା 1 ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ନା
ଉପରଟା 1 ଟା not applicable ଯୋଉଟା ହେଲା 2 ଟାରେ ଟିକ୍ ମରା ହେଇଛି 2 ଟାରେ the following criminal cases are pending against me
ହଁ ସେଟା Roman 1 ରେ ଅଛି
2 ରେ sir
2 ରେ Roman 1 ଟା not applicable
ସେଠି 1 to 2 କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇନି ମୁଁ
page 3 ର
ଦେଖେ
course
ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ସେଇଟା ବୋଧେ ମାଇଲଟ 2 ତାରିଖରେ
ସେ 2 ତାରିଖ
ସେଇଟା 43 ନମ୍ବରଟା କାଢି
ସେଟା କଣ ବୁଝିକି ଦଉନ এই পেজটা বার করে দিন now it's clear. So it's a fact that while mentioning the offenses in column number 5, Romans 2, then Asila
C then 11
C Asila Taparhala XI, ठीक है जी XI in my affidavit in form 26
exhibit 43 44 45 46
सब बड़ा लग रहा exhibit 43 44 45 and 46 I have left out the offenses under sections 3 PDPP Act 3 PDPP Act comma 7 Criminal Law Amendment Act and 96 OU Orissa Urban Police Act OUP जा लिखा ही लिखा OUP कर लो OUP Act 2003 stop the omission
say though the exhibit 21 FIR
अच्छा और कौन दो नहीं सिटी से कंटिन्यू करें दो the FIR exhibit 21 reflects registration of the offenses under those 3 offenses apart from the offenses which I have mentioned in the said column. Stop. The same was a clerical error. Stop. Yes, what is your suggestion?
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ଲେଖିଲେ I have mentioned the details of pendency of the said criminal case against me in my affidavit in form 26 so and in column number 52A9 52B11 and 5211C11 এটা মিথ্য কথা লিখিছেন
Advocate can say it's not a fact, Lekunda. It's not a fact that I have stated. I have mentioned, I have mentioned falsely in page 74,
last subpara,
bracket last subpara of my evidence affidavit.
Exhibit DW.
Is there?
DW.
Exhibit DW. That I have mentioned details of pendency of the criminal case against me in my affidavit in Form 26 bracket re exhibit 43 comma bracket re সেটা নিয়ে আসুন in କରନ୍ତୁ in column number এটা କେବଳ ଗୋଟିଏ ରହିବ ଆର ଦିଟା ଦବ in column number 5 bracket ରେ Roman 2 bracket ରେ small c
and 11
bracket रे xi. It's not a fact. I have mentioned falsely. Okay. Yes.
ଏବଂ ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା କ୍ଲରିକାଲ ଏରର ଏଟା ବି ମିଛ କଥା ଆପଣ ଜାଣିକି ଭୋଟର ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମିସଲିଡ୍ କରିବାକୁ ମିଛ କଥା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ରେ ଡିସକ୍ଲୋଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
It is not a fact. No, it's not a fact that it was not a clerical error, but it has been deliberately done, and three of the offenses under which the case was registered were deliberately left out in order to mislead the voters of 90 Baravati Cuttack Assembly constituency, and that it was a false declaration. Yes.
I guess how my advocate can say.
Acha, my advocates can only say about the omission of the three offenses
in the said column.
ନାଇଁ ଏଇ କଲମ ଏଗୁଡାକ କଣ ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରିଥିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଯୋଉ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଟା ଦାଖଲ କରିଥିଲେ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରିଟର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ଅଫିସର ପାଖରେ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନାଇଁ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ କଥା କହୁନି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣ ତିନିଟା ଯୋଉ ଛାଡିଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି ଛାଡିଛନ୍ତି ନା ଫର୍ମ 26 ରେ ଯୋଉ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଗୁଡା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ସେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ହେଲା ଯେ ସେଟା କାହିଁ ଛାଡିଲେ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଡଭୋକେଟ୍ସ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବେ ମୁଁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ
କ୍ଲରିକାଲ ଏରର କହିଲି ସାର୍
କ୍ଲରିକାଲ ତାପରେ କହିଲେ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ୍ସ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ
ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଅଫ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ କାହିଁ ଛାଡ଼ିଲେ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଆଡଭୋକେଟ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ସେ ବୋଲି କହିଲି
my advocates can only say about the omission
ଇଏରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଇ ଦଫା ଲାଗିଛି ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ମୁଁ ଡିସକ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଛି
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା କଣ ସେ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଜ୍ୟୋତି ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି my advocates can only say about the omission of the three offenses
in the evidence of
in the evidence affidavit. Yes.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ clause 5 Roman 2 B serial 12
କୋଉଟା ଆଉଥରେ
clause 5 Roman
2 B ର X12 serial 12
2B ର
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇ ପେଜ 5 ରେ
ହଁ 12 ଟା
12 XII
X
ଉପରେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଗୋଟେ
GR ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି GR କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର 1568 2010 in the honorable court of SDJM Cuttack
ଏଟା କୋଉଠି ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲା GR 1568 of 2010 ଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
SDJM କଟକରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ନାହିଁ ନଥିଲା
ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ 22 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ 22 ଦିନ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
এটা হলো GR 1568 2010 ঠিক ଅଛି
ଏ କେସ୍ ଟା କଟକ SDJM ରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ନାହିଁ ଏ କେସ୍ ଟା GMFC ସିଟି କଟକ କେସ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
No, Mr. Agrawal,
my lord.
perhaps you are not correct. You see, at that time, you are right. In
My lord,
2019 ରେ
kindly see order sheet ଲାଗିଛି।
ହଁ 2019
21/10/2011 ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ସିଟି କୋର୍ଟରେ।
ହଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଇନିସିଆଲି ଷ୍ଟାମ୍ପ ମାରିଛି ଏସଡିଜିଏମ
Initially the FIR ସବୁ SDGM ପାଖରେ, but the day he disclosed, filed his affidavit on that day it was pending before JMFC
on
city.
that day that was pending. On that day JMFC city ହଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଇନିସିଆଲି ଆସିଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା, if my lords will look to the order dated order sheet ବି ଲାଗିଛି 21/10/2011
ମାନେ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲା ଏଠିକି
ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି JMFCO ପାଖରେ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଏ JMC ସିଟି ପାଖରେ କୋର୍ଟରେ
2011 ହଁ 2000 JMFC ସିଟିରେ।
So on the date of filing his affidavit it was pending before JMFC city.
ହଁ ଏଇଟା ଭୁଲ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ମିଷ୍ଟର ମକିମ। କଣ କହିବେ ଆପଣ? ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେଲେ 2019 ରେ ସେତେବେଳେ କେସ୍ ଟି ନମ୍ବର ଠିକ ରହିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ କୋର୍ଟ ନାଁଟା ଏସଡିଜିଏମ ନ ହେଇକିନି JMFC ସିଟି ହବା କଥା। କଣ ଏଇଟା କହିବେ? କୋର୍ଟ ବେଲ ବି ଥିଲେ ସେ କେସରେ ସେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
2011 ବେଳକୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଠି page 8 ରେ accused persons are on court bail। କଣ କହିବେ ମିଷ୍ଟର ମୁକିମ? ଏସଡିଜିଏମ ଜାଗାରେ JMFC ଜାଗାରେ ଏସଡିଜିଏମ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କଣ ମାନେ what is your explanation?
ସାର୍ ଆମର ଯୋଉ
ନାଇଁ କଣ ମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କ୍ଲରିକାଲ ଏରର ନା? ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ଅଛି କେହି କହିଦେବେ ତ ହବ। ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଲେଖିଲେ? It while mentioning the ଏଟା ହଉଛି
column 5 Roman 2B XII
while mentioning in column 5 Roman
B Roman 2B
2 ଆଣନ୍ତୁ
B
ତାପରେ B
XII
ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ XII ହେଲା କମା ନାଇଁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏ ଉପରଟାକୁ ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ in column it's a fact that in column ଟାକୁ ସେଠିକି ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ। ହଁ while mentioning in my affidavit while mentioning GR case number 1568/2010 I have indicated the same to be pending in the court of SDGM bracket S Cutter exhibit 22 reflects registration reflects ସେଟା ବି କାଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ପୁରା କାଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ exhibit 20 ହଁ ସେଇ କଲର exhibit 22 reflects that GR case number 1568 was pending in the court of JMFC bracket City Cutter the wrong noting made in such column regarding the name of the court was a clerical error. Any suggestion you want to give, Mr.?
Your my lords, may kindly see page 75.
Say that related to
evidence. Say that is related.
Acha. 74, huh?
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସାପାରା starts from exhibit 22 ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ସେଟା 75 ରେ ଅଛି
page 75 ରେ
Second.
the sentence begins exhibit 22
ହଁ ପାଇଲେଣି
exhibit ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ is the certified copy of FIR number so and so dated so and so of Madhuparna P.S. Katta corresponding to GR case number 1568 das and the order sheet of GR case number 1568 pending in the court of SDGM Sadar ଏଇଟା ବି ଆପଣ ମିଛ ଡିକ୍ଲାରେସନ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟା ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ଯେ ଏଇଟା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି JMFCA ରେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କ୍ଲରିକାଲ ଏରର ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ମେନସନ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି SDGM but you are still sticking to that it is pending in the court of SDGM Cuttack ଆପଣଙ୍କର explanation କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
फाइनल रिपोर्ट
फाइनल रिपोर्ट କଥା ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବି
फाइनल रिपोर्ट ହେଇଛି କି ନାହିଁ that's a different matter କାରଣ 20,29/7/2022 ରେ ମଧ୍ୟ କେସ୍ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲା फाइनल रिपोर्ट ହବାର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ନାହିଁ କାରଣ କଗ୍ନିଜେନ୍ସ ऑलरेडी निया ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ୍ଡ ମାନେ କୋର୍ଟ ବେଲ ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ୍ଡ ମାନେ ହାଜିରା ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏ ଜଣ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ୍ଡ ଆବସେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସପ୍ଲାଇ ଅଫ ପୋଲିସ ପେପର ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା 29/7/2022 ତେଣୁ କେସ୍ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମାନେ 2019 ବେଳକୁ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲା we are relevant is the not the present date relevancy is the date of filing of nomination 2019 ବେଳକୁ କେସ୍ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲା ବୋଲି ଅର୍ଡର ସିଟ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ କହୁଛି ତେଣୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିଲା କୋଉଠି ନା JMFC ସି କଟକ ବା ସିଟି କଟକ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସେଠି ତ ଲେଖିଲେ ତାପରେ ପୁଣି ଏବେ ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ଯୋଉ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେଲେ ତା ଦେହରେ ବି ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ଷ୍ଟିକ୍ କଲେ ଯୋଉଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ସେଟା କ୍ଲରିକାଲ ଏରର ତାପରେ ଆପଣ କଣ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲାନେସନ ହବ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ବା କଣ କହିବାକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କାହିଁ ପୁଣି ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କଲେ SDGM କଟକ ବୋଲି କାଗଜ ପତ୍ର ସବୁ ମିଳିଗଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ all right it's a fact it's not a fact that I have stated falsehood in my evidence on affidavit in page 75 कर देना काटूंगी in page 75 सब paragraph कर देना first मैंने गुटी तो paragraph हो जाए सब para of my evidence on affidavit DW हो से रखा हो that GR case number 1568 is pending in the court of SDGM सदर कर हाँ से उड़ा कॉपी करनी है सुन though the same was pending in the court of stop ए सजेशन टा दियंतु से जो कौन क्लरिकल एरर नुए बोली नाउ कौन कहिबे नहीं आपन
ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କ୍ଲରିକାଲ ଏରର ମାଇ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ୱିଲ୍ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ସେ ଏ ମିଛ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ମାନ୍ୟବର କୋର୍ଟରେ ମିଛ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦାଖଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେଇଠି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମାଇ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ୍ସ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ସେ advocates can say as to why the name of the court has been incorrectly mentioned in the evidence affidavit in page number 75. Stop. प्रश्न कौन है आपनकर
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କହିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଟା
क्लरिकल एरर
एफिडेविट इन फॉर्म 26 रे क्लरिकल एरर आउ एविडेंस एफिडेविट रे माय लॉयर विल कैन से आपण मिछ कथा कहउचंती आपण को जानी सुनी के मान्यवर कोर्ट रे मिछ एफिडेविट दाखल करचंती।
Deny, you are denying that? Yes. All right. It's not a fact that it was not a clerical error, but it has been nice done. But nice done. Kati diyantu, kati diyantu, kati diyantu. And it is not a clerical error. Our last suggestion thila upon deliberately, but deliberately I have filed. Deliberately I have filed false affidavit before this court to mislead
the voters.
To mislead. Voter to mislead कोर्ट रे ठीक फाइल कले ठीक
कोर्ट रे भी आगे वोटर माने मिसलीड कोर्ट रे जो एफिडेविट देले ताकू जे पढिबो कहबो ए ठीक लिखि छ।
अच्छा लाइक टू इन ऑर्डर टू मिसलीड द वोटर्स ऑफ सो अपनो बिफोर दिस कोर्ट इन ऑर्डर टू मिसलीड द voters of 90 are you sure
to mislead the court and the voters of
mislead the court karantu
mislead the court and the voters of
अच्छा mislead the court कर दियन ता पूर्वरु voters पूर्वरु सेट मार mislead the court and the voters of so and so and that it was a false declaration. All right. Yes.
देखंतु clause 5 Roman 2A ର serial 13 page 5 रे sorry page 4 रे
page 4
आगे A ର 13 page 4 रे
page 4
FIR number 7 ऊपर टॉप A ର 13 XII page 4 रे
page 4 टा तुम धरछि 13 टा होछि आधेरे FIR number 7
आगे
डेट होछि 30/3/2005 विजिलेंस पुलिस स्टेशन भुवनेश्वर खोर्धा ओडिशा या लिखाई कोन भूल अछि कोंतु और एग्जिबिट मार्क की
एग्जिबिट 29
दियो 29 कहउछन
देखंतु ए FIR number 7 30/3/2005 Vigilance PS Bhubaneswar corresponds to TR case number 1 of 2009 pending in the court of Special Judge Vigilance Bhubaneswar.
साथे ऑफ डेटेड 30/3/2005 ठीक अछि
से ठीक अछि
पुलिस स्टेशन भुवनेश्वर खोर्धा अरे तो भी ठीक अछि कोन हला इटा आरो कॉरेस्पोंडिंग वो जो येटा जो कॉरेस्पोंडिंग टा
नहीं कॉरेस्पोंडिंग में ठीक अछि आगे
कोनटा भूल अछि
that FIR has been registered under section 13(2) read with 13(1)(d) of PC Act 1988 and section 120B of IPC.
Right, you are right.
Clause 5(2)(c) रे he has not declared about
5(2)(c
आगे
5(2)(c रे एरा टोटल डिक्लेरेशन नहीं
टोटल डिक्लेरेशन नहीं आपण एई FIR जो ऑफेंस रहिछि 5(2)(c) रे कोठे डिस्क्लोज करिसंती कोन
13(2) 13(1)(d), 120(b).
5(2)(c) X triple I.
C ର କୋଉଟା ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
X triple I. Next
X,
page.
ଆଚ୍ଛା next page. Okay. 13 to 13(1)(d) ଅଛି। ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ 420 ଟା ଆଡ୍ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି। 420 କୋଉଠୁ ଆଇଲା ଏଠି?
420 ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା 3 ରେ. But that FIR is only on 3 sections. He has mentioned offense under section 120B, 467, 468, 471.
No. He is telling about come to page number 6. Page number 6 ର XII ଟାକୁ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାରି ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଟା। ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ 420 ଟାକୁ ଆଡ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ହଁ ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ତାର ଇଏ। 420 ରେ ସେ କେସ୍ କୋଉଠୁ ଜାଣିଲେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ? ଏଇଟା ତ ଯାହା FIR ଦେଖୁଛି ପରେ କଣ ଆଉ ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଘରିକା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି କି ସେ ଅଫେନ୍ସରେ ନା କଣ? ନାଇଁ ତ କଗ୍ନିଜେନ୍ସ ପୁରା ଟୋଟାଲ ଅନ୍ୟ ଅଫେନ୍ସରେ ନିଆଯାଇଛି 2009 ରେ। ଆଚ୍ଛା। କଗ୍ନିଜେନ୍ସ ନେଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆହୁରି ଗୁଡାଏ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଆଡ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି। 420 ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି। ଇନଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ହି ହାଜ
କେବଳ ସେ ଯାହା ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କରିଛନ୍ତି FIR ନମ୍ବର, ସେଇ FIR କୋଉ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ରେ ଅଛି ସେତିକି ସେ କୋଉଠି ଡିସକ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଛନ୍ତି କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟାକୁ ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେଟା ମୁଁ XII ରେ ଡିସକ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଛି।
ସେଇଟା ବି ହଉଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେ।
ସେଟା 420 ଟାକୁ ଆଡ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ
420 let him say your record, I will clarify.
No.
ସେଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଉଛି with respect to FIR number 30.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ FIR
Exhibit 30 ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ FIR. Exhibit 30
ସେ
is the same.
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ମୁଁ ଆগে
ନାଇଁ ସେ ଯାହା କହୁଛନ୍ତି let it go, then I ask him.
ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ क्वेश्चन करूँ क्यों? In which column
of your affidavit in
in which column
of
5 bracket रे 2 bracket रे 5 लिखନ୍ତୁ of 5 to C करो C comma you have mentioned
you have declared
the offenses
declared in your affidavit
as declared in your affidavit in form 26 marked as per the form 26
exhibit 43
ଚାରିଟା କଥା comma the offenses under which FIR number 07 dated 30/3/2005 comma Vigilance Police Station comma Bhubaneswar comma Khurda comma Odisha was registered. Question mark beyond. In which column of swan so you have declared in which column of 5 to C
which you have mentioned in column 5
just a minute. In which column of 5 to C of your so you affidavit in form 26 टाउ सेटिंग नहीं आते हाला comma you have declared in your katandu. You have declared the offences under which FIR number 07 dated 30/3/2005 Vigilance Police Station, Bhubaneswar, Khorda, Odisha was registered. It was the answer which it
Say
was
again, which here you have declared in column 5(2)(a) Roman 13.
FIR number so and so
Last date, which was registered.
Which was registered as per your declaration made in column number 5
Roman 2
bracket Roman 2
A
bracket small a
then
bracket X I. How would I after Padiva in which column of 5(1)(c) of your affidavit in Form 26, that is so and so, you have declared the offences under which FIR number 7 so and so was registered as per your declaration made in so and so. Yes, କୋଉଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
XII ହେଉଛି my lord TR case number 12009.
ନାଇଁ FIR number ଆଉ ଥରେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଭଲ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ସେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସେ ଦେଖେଇଲେ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ 4 ନମ୍ବର ପେଜ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ର ଏ ର ଲାଷ୍ଟ XII ଯୋଉଥିରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
पेज 4 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଟା
पेज 4 एविडेंस एफिडेविट रो पेज 4 को अछन
एविडेंस एफिडेविट
सॉरी आपनकर सॉरी आपनकर एफिडेविट इन फॉर्म 26
ଆଜ୍ଞା
सेटार पेज 4 को आसिले
सर
4 को आसिनी ए कॉलम को आसिले रोमान ए तार एक्स ट्रिपल आई को आसंतु अर्थात 13 नंबर 13 नंबर को आसिले
सर
सेट लिखाइन एफआईआर नंबर 07 डेटेड 30/3/2005 कमा विजिलेंस पुलिस स्टेशन कमा भुवनेश्वर कमा खुर्दा कमा ओडिशा हला ता से जो केसटा जो ऑफेंस रे रजिस्टर्ड हेची सेई ऑफेंस गोडा को मेंशन करिवा कथा सी रे कॉलम सी रे से प्रश्न पचरा हला आपन को जे आपन कोठी मेंशन करिसें तो ऑब्वियसली आपन कहिले जे मु एक
कॉलम सी रे
देखुना आपन तो सेत पई से कहिले आपन कहिले नै मु 13 रे मेंशन करछि एटा भी 13 सेटा भी 13 आ जदि कोडी मेंशन करछन कहूं
एटा एग्जिबिट हला
29
एटा 29 इच यदि 13 बोली आपनकर उत्तर हो ताहले सेटा 420 गोटे दफा ऐड हेच आउ सब ठीक अछि आ यदि आउ गोटे को कॉलम कहिबे हमें खोजिबा देखिया सेटा एमिति तो अन्य कॉलम रे मेंशन करिवा भी उचित नुह तार सीरियली मेंटेन हवा कथा सेठी रहिला ये तार पोर्ट नंबर से सीरियल तार येटा मध्ये
instruction also
हां अदरवाइज इट वुड बी कंफ्यूजिंग माने एक नंबर येटा को आपण आनी 5 नंबर रे मेंशन करिवे कॉलम बी रे ता ऑफेंस टाको मेंशन करिवे सी रे नंबर आउट करे दैट इज नॉट
माय लॉर्ड सी XII
एक्स हम तो सेटा आपण कहउतिले प्रथम हला इट इज इन कॉलम नंबर लिखन आंसर लिखन इट इज इन कॉलम नंबर हाँ सेवटा 5 as per your declaration no column number 5 रोमान 2 सेटा होची सी सी लिखन सेठी नहीं से ए जगह रे सी लगो अरे ओहो एठी पण हां दैट इज सी XII stop yes now you put the question बर्तन से कहि देले जे मु से जिनसटा मेंशन करछि 5-2 C रोमन 13 रे करछि
से एफआईआर टा 420 दफारे रेजिस्ट्रेशन हेइनी ये जो एफआईआर नंबर 7 30/3/2005 रो विजिलेंस पुलिस स्टेशन आपनक नारे 420 दफारे एफआईआर रजिस्टर्ड करि ना
मैं इसको पेस्ट करूं हां प्लीज वेरीफाई the FIR number so and so of so and so marked as exhibit 29 na?
exhibit 29
and it appears that it was not registered
sir FIR ta hit sir
again it was not registered under section 420 of the Indian Penal Code which you have mentioned which you have declared which offense you have declared which offense you have declared while mentioning the details of the offenses in से जो लास्ट एटा ने कॉलम नंबर 5 नै जोटा आंसर दीजन हां से उडा ने yes please verify FIR number so and so Vigilant Police Station marked as exhibit 29 and it appears that it was not registered under section 420 of the Indian Penal Code which offense you have declared while mentioning the detail of offenses in so and so yes हाँ ठीक है कौन है कौन आप से 420 दफारे से भली केस टा रजिस्टर्ड हेनी आपण मेंशन करचंदी आपनकर उत्तर कोन
सर 420 अछि ना सर
कोडी अछि
आपण सर
420 आपण लिखि जंदी
नहीं सर आई स्पेशल जज विजिलेंस से जोटा अछि टीआर केस नंबर
प्लीज
मो
कम टू
एफआईआर कथा पचार आपन को टीआर अभी जाई नै
बर्तन से एफआईआर कथा कहउछन आगे
टीआर को जिबी
तापर से टीआर को आसी बर्तन एफआईआर टा देखंदु से पचार दिन पर एडी वेरीफाई दी एफआईआर कथा कहला एफआईआर रे 420 बोली दफा रे रजिस्टर्ड होबा कथा नाही आपण एफआईआर फॉर्मल एफआईआर टा अछि तो फ्रंट पेज टा सेठी देखु जी 13 रेडवी सेक्शन 13(1)D आउट होची 120B 420 दफा सेठी नाही से तापर आसीबे ऑर्डर शीट को आसीबे it's not there the answer Mr. Moki yes it is not there yes such offense the nice yes the offense yes the offense under section 420 of the Indian Penal Code acha yes comma would yes the case was not registered for the offense under section 420 of the Indian Penal Code. Stop.
So, in your affidavit in column 5 to C, 13 नंबर सीरियल आपण जो 420 दफा रे आपण नारे केस एटा भी आपण मिछ कथा लिखिछन
एटा कोन आंसर उत्तर कोन आपण करो
बिकॉज़ टीआर केस नंबर आसितला सेटा को मेंशन कराई
नहीं ए जो 420 टा दफा गोटे ऐड कर दउचन ना आपण नारे जो दफा नाही त ऐड करूचंदी से सेत में पचारुचंदी
क्लरिकल मिस्टेक
अच्छा ऑलराइट yes the case was not registered now mentioning such offense lekon mentioning such offense in से जो कॉलम नंबर लास्ट टू ने 5(2)C रोमन was a clerical mistake stop Mr. Yes.
ଖାଲି ଏଇ ଗୋଟିଏ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କରିଦେଲେ
ଆଉ
ଏଇଟା
ଗୋଟେ
ହେଇନି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାର କଣ ଉଦ୍ଘାଟନ ଅଛି କଣ 3ଟା ବେଳେ ଆଉ ଏଇଠୁ ଉଦ୍ଘାଟନ ନହେଲେ କରିଦେବେ ସେ କରିଦେବା କି ସେ ଭର୍ଚୁଆଲ ମୋଡରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଥିଲି ସକାଳେ ସେ ଦେ ସଜେଷ୍ଟେଡ 2ଟା ବେଳକୁ ମୁଁ
ଶୀଘ୍ର ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଶୀଘ୍ର ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ
ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ସରିଲା ପରେ ଟିକେ ରେଷ୍ଟ
ସବୁ
ଏଇଟା ତାଙ୍କର 17 to 30 my objection is questions put to the witness with regard to exhibit 17 to 30 except 26, 27 and 30 are objected to on the ground that it is beyond question.
ओके विल लास्ट विल रेकॉर्ड कर लास्ट सॉरी जाओ था सॉरी जाओ से कारण एटा कंटिन्यू करियो ना हां एस पछ
49 पर्यंत गलेनी आ गोटाए
हां 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 हां
नो सहित नहीं कोई
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ପେଜ 7 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫର୍ମ 26 ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ର କଲମ 2 5 रोमन 2 ର F
पेज 7
ର ତଳେ एकदम ଲାଷ୍ଟ କଲମ F ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି TR ନମ୍ବର 1 of 2009 charge frame on 29/8/2013 in the Honorable Court of Special Judge Vigilance Bhubaneswar.
Short number.
Then Your Honor may kindly see the order sheet, Exhibit 29.
TR number 1 of 2009.
Exhibit 29, say exhibit. Order dated 10/4/2015.
10/4/2015.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏ କେସରେ ଚାର୍ଜ ଫ୍ରେମ ହେଇଛି 10/4/2015 ରେ
Are the law and special PPC answer on the question on consideration of the affairs answer documents? I am of the opinion there is ground for presuming that the accused persons Vinod Kumar have committed so answer. Accused persons have committed according to separate charges. এটা 10/4/2015 ହେଇଛି এটা ଲେଖି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 29/8/2013
से टाइपोग्राफिकल
all লিখুন in column number 5 এটা হচ্ছে সি হবো না 5 হবো না এফ করন্তু কমা সেগুড়া কাটি দিন সে গোটিয়ে মাত্র ইয়ে আছে 5 to comma you have mentioned
you have declared
আচ্ছা you have declared that TR1 by 2009 ନାଇଁ ଆଚ୍ଛା in ଗୋଟେ word add କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ TR ପୂର୍ବରୁ in so and so comma charge was framed on dated 29/8/2013 in the Honorable Court of Special Judge, Vigilance, Bhubaneswar. But Exhibit 29 indicates that charge was framed on 10/4/2015 Stop. What do you say about the same? Stop. Answer. It was अच्छा 73 कौन लिखिले सेठी ऊपर एटा क्यू होबा कथा ना हां क्यू होबा आंसर टा देले it was a typographical error. Stop. Any suggestion you want to?
Okay.
It conclude कर दियंतु आजि ପାଇଁ
ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଟାଇପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଏରର ଏଟା ମିଛ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି
अच्छा suggestion दे दियंतु one normal question कर दियंतु it's not a fact that mentioning the wrong date of framing of charge in column number सेटा नहीं आसंतु से जो 5 f जो नहीं सेटा नहीं ये जो 5 2 हां सेटा was not a typographical error. कौन आपन सजेशन को
and ଆପଣ ଏଟା ମିଛ କଥା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି so that voter could not know on which day exact date charges has been framed
comma it was done deliberately to mislead the voters of जो 90 बारवाटी सेटा लग दियम so that they will have no idea when the charges were framed in
TR number 1
in TR case number 1 oblique लिखा है इनिशियली लिखा है जी हाँ लिखा है TR number 1 yes
ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ पेज 81 ରେ ଲେଖିଲେ कि ଆପଣ करेक्टली रोमन कॉलम 5 टू एफ रे डिक्लेयर करछन्ते एटा मिछ कथा लिखिछन्ते
कोड लिखछन
पेज 81 रो फर्स्ट सपारा एग्जिबिट 29 रे से मझी रे लिखिछन्ते
I have mentioned the details of pending so and so हां एटा सिकुजन्ती लिखिछन्ती बोले एटा अपन कुजन्ती एटा फॉल्स
नो यस
it's not a fact that I have shown false affidavit. Well, I have falsely stated, I have falsely stated in my evidence on affidavit that I have mentioned the details of pendency of TR case number, but TR number 1 of 2019.
in column 5
in my evidence in my affidavit in form 26
in affidavit एटा जो affidavit जोटा देछन्ती
हां पर in my affidavit in form 26
एटा फॉर्म तो एटा एग्जामिनेशन इन चीफ
as it is not a fact that in my लिखा है जी ब्रा it is not a fact that I have falsely stated in my evidence on affidavit that I have mentioned the details of pendency of so and so correctly in my affidavit in form 26 bracket रे exhibit 43 to नहीं आसंतु एटा होजी ए गोटे पर्टिकुलर ये रहइबो कोन कॉलम इन कॉलम 5 रोमन 2f हला आ बाकी तो से हां इन लिखो इन कॉलम नहीं इतने कंटिन्यू करियो रे इन कॉलम 5 ब्रैकेट रे 2 ब्रैकेट रे f हला ओके
मैंने सी कथा जोड़ी दियो
कोडा कहना
ये जो टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर एंड दैट it was done to and that कर देला से गोटे सेंटेंस को
रोंद It is not. It was done deliberately to mislead the voters.
First sentence one.
It is not a fact that mentioning the wrong date of framing of charge was not a typographical error, and that it was done deliberately to mislead the voters of 90 Baravati so that they will have no idea when the charges were framed in TR numbers 1. So it's not a fact that I have falsely stated in my evidence on affidavit that I have mentioned the details of pendency on correctly in my affidavit on 26(1). So in column number 1. Okay. So sir, नहीं ଆଉ ରହିଲା କି ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଫଫେନ୍ସ ଉପରେ ସରି ନି sir sir ଆହୁରି ପୁଣି କୋଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଥିବ ପୁଣି ମଝିରେ ଲେଖିବି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଲେଖିବି
ଏକାଥରେ ଲାଷ୍ଟଲି ଆମେ କହିଦବୁ
ଯଦି ସିଏ ଆଉ କୌଣସି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନ ପଚାରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ ର ପ୍ରଥମରେ ଆଗେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଟା ମୁଁ ନୋଟ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ କରିଦେବି ତ it will be taken up tomorrow at 2 o'clock.
କାଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ନାହିଁ ତ?
ନାଇଁ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କଣ?
ନାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର
ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ନାହିଁ, ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ସକାଳେ 10ଟାରେ ଅଛି ଆମେ ବୁଝି ସାରିଛୁ।
All right.